Let's practice about factorizing. You got 6 questions in this slide. Question A, minus 4 is minus 12. For this question, you can separate 12 become to 4 and 3. And the common factor is 4. Minus 4 will be outside, and inside the bracket, you will got h plus 3. One warning for you in here, you got h plus 3 here is not minus 3 because the common factor is minus 4. I factor it outside this bracket, so that's why inside the bracket you got plus 3 is not minus 3. For question B, question A, the second one you got minus 9 is minus 36 minus 9 and 4. Minus 9 is common factor, and then you got h plus 4. And for this one, question B, you got 10a squared plus 40a. 10a times a plus 4 times a times. And the common factor, you got two common factor. 10 is the first one and the second one is a. That's why you got 10a and then a plus 4 in here. Question 2 for this one. 17 will be outside a times a. 34 equal to 17.2.8. So the common factors is 17a. Take it outside, and then inside the bracket you got a plus 2. Yeah, we finished this question. And for the next question, you have expansion and then simplify that. Question C. From here, I'm got 4 multiply h plus 8 minus a times h is mean you got here, and minus 2a by this one. And after that, you can simplify it. And how can I work with this one? Okay, rearrange this first. Plus 8 minus 2a, and take it h outside for minus a plus h minus 2a. And the next one, 11h plus 55 minus ah minus 5a. The next term you can take 2 outside, 4 minus a like this one. And then you can see the bracket 4 minus a is the common factor, the new common factor. So the new one will be h plus 2. The same idea with the second question. The first one, I will have 11h minus ah plus 55 minus 5a here. Take h outside, 11 minus a plus 5, and then 11 minus a by this one. And the common factor is 11 minus a. And the next one you got h plus 5. Okay, we finished question 1. The second question, taking out the common factor. Okay, question A, 3 and 18 here. 18 is mean 3 times 6. 3 outside, you got h minus 6 inside. For B, 4h and 20 is 4 times 5. So 4 outside, you got h plus 5. Question C, 7 outside, and you got a plus b inside the bracket. Question D, 3. You got 9 and 15 is 3. 3 times 3a minus 3 times 5. Take 3 outside, you got 3a minus 5. Question E, a little bit harder because you got negative number here. Take minus 5 outside, and inside you got h plus 6. Question F, you got minus 4 and minus 2. So minus 4 is minus 2 times 2 times y minus 2 here. Minus 2y plus 1. The next one is question G, 12 and minus 3. Take minus 3 outside. And then you will recognize that 4a will be inside the bracket, and then you got 1 without sign in front of 1 is mean plus 1. And question 8, minus b. take minus b outside, 2a plus c inside the bracket. The next one you will got in this side. Question I, take h outside, 4h plus 1. Question J, h outside, 5h minus 2. Question K, you got b and you got 6. 6b squared minus 6 times 3 times b. Take 6b outside, you got b minus 3. You got b minus 3? Okay, yes. Question L, 7 and 2, a times a plus 7, 3 and a. Sorry, this is minus. 7 outside, a outside, you got 2a minus 3 will be inside the bracket. New one, question M. N is 5 and 2 and a. Minus 5 times a squared. So 5a will be outside, 2 minus a. You got 2 minus a, take 5 outside, 2 minus a inside the bracket. Okay. Question N. 12 and 30. So the common factor is 6. 6 times 2 equal to 12. 6 times 5 equal to 30. And h squared is mean h times h. So 6h will be outside, 2 here and 5h here. Question N, and then question O. Minus 2h minus h times h like this one. Minus 2h, here is 1 and here is plus h. So question O, you got solution here. Question P. About question P, minus 4 y minus 4 times 2 times y squared. Minus 4y will be outside this bracket, and then you got 1 left, and then you got minus 2y. No, you got plus 2y. You got plus 2y. Question Q. Question Q, a b squared, a b b, a square b, a b, and ab will be the common factor. Inside the bracket, you got b minus a. B minus a. Question R. 2h y z minus 2hy. So 2h y will be the outside the bracket, the common factor. H and z here, minus 2y will be the new one inside the bracket. Question S, you got minus 12 and you got m and n. Minus 12 m, n. Minus 12 m, n. Minus 12 m, n will be outside. So you got m plus n inside the bracket. Question T, 6 and 3. 2 h y z minus 3 z and z. So how many common factor do you have here? I've got 3 zz and zz. Okay, so 3z squared will be outside the bracket. hy2 minus 1 will be here. Question 3, factorize after you should expand this bracket. Question A, you will have 5h after expanding, and then minus h plus 1 times a like here. And then reorder for this term, you will have this form. And after that, I will take I will take h outside this one. Take h outside, you got 5 minus a, and let me make a little clear about this one. I will have minus 1 times a equal to minus 5, and I will got minus 1 times minus a for plus a like here. And then I will take minus 1 outside with this, and then inside the bracket you got 5 times a. So after this step, you got the bracket 5 minus a is the common factor. So h minus 1 will be my answer for this question. For question B, you got bh plus 2b plus 3h plus 6 like here after expanding. And then you got bh plus 3h plus 2b plus 6. Take h outside, you got b plus 3. And take 2 outside, you got b plus 3. And b plus 3 is new common factor. That is the first bracket, and the second bracket you got h plus 2. Yep. And then question C, ah plus 5a minus 4h minus 20. And then you got ah minus 4h plus 5a minus 5 times 4. H outside the first these two terms, a minus 4 inside, and plus 5. The new common factor is a minus 4. A minus 4, you got the second one will be a plus 5. Yeah, we finished the first 3 questions for this kind of exercise. The next one a little bit longer, but that is not too difficult. Question D, h squared plus 2h plus 5h plus 10. Yeah. Oh, sorry. We don't need to do this one because in the writing here you got the common bracket is h plus 2, h plus 2. For this one, h minus 4, h minus 4, h plus 1, h plus 1. The same idea with this one. So that's quite easy for this question. Question D, common factor is h plus 2 and then the second bracket will be h plus 5. Question E, you got h minus 4 will be the first bracket and h minus 2 will be the second one. Question F, you got h plus 1 and the second is 3 minus h. Question G, you got h plus 3 and then a plus 1 for here because for the second bracket you got only one bracket, is mean that bracket multiplied by 1. And here question 8, you got h minus 1 and then h minus 2. Imagine this one multiplied by 1. And the same idea with I here. Take h minus 6 outside, you got 1 minus h by this. Okay.